Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use grid motion backgrounds effectively. These dynamic visual elements can significantly elevate your project's aesthetic. They provide a modern, professional look, perfect for presentations, videos, or websites. By adding subtle movement, grid backgrounds capture attention and enhance viewer engagement without ever overshadowing your primary content. It's a fantastic way to add polish and sophistication. Choosing the right grid style is crucial for impact. Think about density. A sparse grid provides a subtle, elegant feel, while a denser grid adds more energy. Select colors that perfectly align with your brand or project's existing palette to maintain cohesion. Also, experiment with line thickness. A 1-pixel line is delicate, whereas a 5-pixel line creates a bolder statement. This customization ensures your background truly fits. Integrating your grid motion background into your project is straightforward. First, place it on a lower video track in your editing software, beneath your main content. Next, adjust its opacity, usually between 20 and 40%, to ensure it blends subtly without overpowering. Finally, confirm the background loop seamlessly. A smooth, continuous loop is essential for maintaining a professional and polished visual experience throughout your presentation or video. For the best results, always prioritize visual hierarchy. Your grid background should enhance, not compete with, your main content. Avoid using overly complex or busy grid patterns, as these can easily overwhelm your audience and detract from your message. Instead, opt for simpler designs. Also, employ subtle animation speeds, typically between 5 and 10 frames per second, to ensure the motion is smooth and unobtrusive, adding a professional touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.